Hi guys, just Tom here from Ribble Valley Country and Leisure Park. It's very, very loud, so I apologise, but we are at the stunning Goit stop. Had to get my words right there, honestly. What a place it is. Half an hour away from the park, brilliant walk. It's only about a mile to the waterfall itself, and then you can walk back through Collingwood and back to the start. So it's a fantastic walk. Now, location is such an important factor with holiday home ownership. And this is why we do videos like this, because we are in an amazing part of the world and with some stunning walks nearby. Just take a look.